Welcome, dear viewers. We're delighted to have you here on Craft and Fix, the channel dedicated to creativity, innovation, and practical solutions. Have you ever had a razor blade or beard trimmer that became dull and stopped cutting properly? It's a common problem. But don't worry, we've got the solution. No need to waste money or throw these tools away. Today, we'll show you how to completely restore them in a simple and effective way, bringing back their sharpness and performance just like brand new. Yes, it's an easy process, but it's the right and efficient way to restore the blade's sharp edge and power. So, how exactly is it done? Let's jump right in and explore the practical steps together. As you can see here, we have a few used blades that have completely lost their sharpness and become useless. But what we're about to do is more than just maintenance. It's a total rejuvenation process that brings these tools back to life, restoring their performance to match that of a brand new product. We kick things off with the preparation and sanitization phase, the absolute foundation for a successful restoration. We require two contrasting elements, a cup of hot water for initial decontamination and release, and a cup of cold water for the final rinse and metal stabilization. Crucially, we need our secret and potent ingredient, toothpaste. It acts as an excellent solvent and polish, boasting powerful chemical properties to break down stubborn residues. The first step is fully immersing the blades in hot water. This is more than a simple wash. It is a vital sanitization process. The high heat serves a dual purpose. First, it softens and breaks down organic contaminants, like dried skin and hair residues, clogging the blade gaps. Second, it significantly reduces accumulated germs and bacteria. Just observe as the microscopic debris begins to detach and fall away from the razor within minutes of soaking. Following the initial sanitization, we move to the deep cleaning phase using toothpaste. Apply a very small amount and gently scrub each blade, focusing intensely on the angles. Toothpaste contains fine abrasive materials, like silica, designed to remove stubborn stains and residue without causing deep scratches to the metal surface. This crucial stage ensures the cutting edge itself is pristine before we proceed to sharpening. Now, we enter the final rinsing phase. We use the cold water to thoroughly wash the blades, eliminating any residual paste or dislodged debris. Rinsing with cold water is key. It rapidly helps return the metal to room temperature, effectively locking in the cleanliness. Once complete, we lift the blades and set them aside to dry. Stay with us until the end, because the final result will truly surprise you. You won't believe how sharp and powerful these blades will become again. If you're enjoying this idea and love seeing simple tools brought back to life, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us create more amazing content like this. And of course, subscribe to Craft and Fix and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next smart and creative hacks. Now, let's keep going. You're just moments away from seeing the amazing final result. It is now time to restore the sharpness, the most delicate phase. Always remember, do not use a traditional whetstone. The stone is far too harsh and will destroy the thin, acute angle of these razor blades. Our secret and highly effective sharpening tool is an alternative, a piece of used cardboard. Cardboard provides the perfect, gentle friction needed to refine the edge without damaging it. And now, let's move on to the technique. Place the blade on the cardboard at a slight angle, one that matches the original cutting edge. The secret lies in the motion itself. Push the blade forward only in one direction, opposite to the actual cutting motion. Then lift it up and return to the starting point. Avoid moving the blade back and forth at all costs. That kind of motion will dull the edge again and destroy the sharpness you're trying to restore. Repeat the forward push and lift several times, using light and steady pressure, and you'll soon notice the blade regaining its sharp, clean edge once more. Now it's time for the final test. We try the razor on the man's hair, and look at the amazing performance. The cut is instantaneous, perfectly smooth, and completely free of any pulling or discomfort. It's exceptionally sharp, even sharper than the edge of some new razors that lack this meticulous preparation. We can confidently say the restoration is a complete success. That concludes our easy and effective method for restoring and resharpening your razor blades, bringing back an edge as sharp as a brand new blade. We truly hope this detailed and valuable lesson proves useful to you. We encourage you to apply this technique and try it in your own home. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos.